JRE, stop looking at my dumpy.
FBI, open up!
What? Oh my god.
JRE.
Out of all the videos.
He was looking at my bum.
What? Listen, bro. I got caught. I got caught. Listen, I just want to make videos that make me laugh and my audience laugh. I mean, obviously, I'm guessing Bangchan is part of this audience, of course. He did say he was a dreamer. I don't know if you remember.
Dreaming dreamers? Yeah, I think I'm a dreamer.
Yeah, let's watch this video. Let's watch this video. Let's watch this video. Let's just watch the whole thing full, then digest it, chat. Because this is a lot. This is a lot. This is... What? Yeah, so it's on... It's actually... Recently, 13 hours ago, he went live on YouTube.
Oh yeah, I recently watched JRE. He was like, he was looking at my bum.
I want to plead my case. I was not. I didn't. I was looking at your butt. But
I'm sipping a soju.
oh my god! I didn't. I can't get out of this, can I? I'm gonna blame my Twitch chat for this one because they sent me that video and I just react. Listen, I get sent videos too. I react and that was it. And so happily, it had to be your bum, as you say it.
Oh yeah, and also recently, I don't know why I watched it now, but I watched his not review, but like his experience at our concert.
Yeah.
And, yeah, I saw him in Umu. At our concert.
Let's go!
It was in the LA one. Just so cool. I'm just really annoyed at myself for seeing them at the end of the show.
Oh.
I mean, because if I saw them earlier, I would have like had so much more fun. But
no, to be honest, I thought that would happen because ever since the Felix saw us and like was hyping us up during concert, we were kind of confused. He's like, I wonder if Bangchan would know, but we're in a huge crowd. How are you supposed to spot us?
like, oh.
Honestly, shows just makes me so proud as a Straykids member.
But yeah.
What's up?
If we could,
it was lit
if we
still.
could ever meet up one time, I feel like it'd be heaps cool. I feel like it'd be really fun.
Hold up, sir. You can't just be saying that out there and don't expect me to like, you know.
If we could ever meet up one time.
Let's grab some dinner sometime. You know, I'm out here in LA. If you're down, let's grab some dinner. Let's grab some dinner. Let's get to know each other. Why am I acting like that? Manifestation is a powerful thing, y'all.
That'll be really fun. But yeah, if there's a chance.
If there's a chance. I'm down,
Same
bro.
for React to Decay. I'd love to meet all of
yes, let's all do something.
All of you guys, like everyone there, the musicians. Cause like I feel like I've got so much to learn from them. Like, you know what
exactly.
I mean? Like, I watch your content a lot. It's very educational.
Let's go,
as
React to Decay.
You know, works on music. It's very educational.
It is, and you know what? I remember when React to Decay first came on, and then I I was looking at my content. I was like, bruh, I'm actually learning something from them. You got me twerking, acting a fool, being stupid. But React to Decay. If you haven't watched that, they do make reactions, but they break it down from their perspective because they're musicians. So it's very interesting, and I recommend it for sure. And
it's really cool how like they, you know, realize the motives that I put into music as well. So it's like, oh wow, they realize this. How
and I bet as an artist that feels nice when someone gets it.
Very cool, yeah.
Or like at least brings you to a different perspective that you didn't expect from your music that you created. You're like, oh, that's an interesting perspective. Shout out to React to Decay again. Shout out to y'all.
JRE, stop looking at my dumpy.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not know it was coming like that. That felt like a personal... Bro, I feel like I'm getting... First of all, he calls me out on being tipsy.
And I think he was a little tipsy, but anyway.
So Bangchan calls me out for being tipsy. Yes. Yes, I was. And I was having a good time twerking the Charmer. I'm sorry, bro. I'm the type of person, if you got a nice... Like, it doesn't matter if it's a dumpy, legs, it could be voice, eyes, you know, anything, I'm gonna say something. I'm gonna say something, especially when it's put on a platter. I don't know how that would. What? So Bangchan, let's grab some dinner. Maybe we could do a collab. But if I'm in Korea, if you're in LA, I don't know how we could get in contact, but hit me up, bro. Hit me up, bro. You never know. Hit me up. It is Christmas morning for me when I'm filming this. Merry Christmas. I got a dinner we have to prepare for. We're hosting like a little dinner with some family and friends, and yeah. Have a blessed, happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. I really do believe in that statement. And I'm pretty sure Bangchan believes in that too. Shout out to Bangchan. Shout out to Straykids. Let's go. I gotta check out the album. I gotta check out the new release. Hold up. It's replay. Might have to check it out on Twitch later sometime. Maybe not today because it is a holiday. Alright, y'all. Have a blessed day. It's your boy JRE. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Share this video. Bangchan, if you see this, happy holidays. Get that rest, bro. I know you guys are working hard. You're working hard. There's a lot of things coming up. I know scheduling and everything. Love one another. Life is short, and yeah, live your life to the fullest. Have a blessed day. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.